Where do you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero.
Unbox it and check out all the coolness. Very decent packaging here. Everything is perfectly packed. As soon as you open the flap, you get the instruction manual and a thank you card. Then you have cables. This is the standard USB to 2 USB Type-C cables. Then you have a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Next is the power adapter. It's in the American format, so I'll need to use a converter here in the UK. And then we have a nice buckled shoulder carry strap. Next, we have the microphones. These are wireless and they feel really nice. They've got decent heft to them, and I love the red color inserts on the top. And yes, you get dual microphones, so you can do proper duets with your partner. Then it's the main event, the karaoke machine. Wow, now this feels awesome. The grab handle is the first thing which you touch, and it feels really solid. It doesn't have the cheap or flimsy feel to it from any angle. Also love that red insert again, which the grab handle has got. And look, the 2 holes on the top, they are to slot in the microphones perfectly. And the whole thing isn't that heavy. It's about 5.18 pounds, which is 2.34 kilograms, guys. So let's look around. The whole thing is this nice square block, which looks aesthetic as well. On the top, you have the controls. The first big dial is the volume rotary wheel, and it feels very nice and premium. Then you have the power button and the LED control button, which we'll test in a moment. Then you have the volume controls for the microphones. Then you've got media controls, and the other wheel here controls the echo of the mic. And finally, we have a few fun preset sounds built in, like laughter, applause, etc. To the sides of that very strong grab handle, you have hooks so you can attach the included shoulder strap like this. On the top, like I mentioned, it's got the slots for microphones, so they slot in nicely. And at the back, we first have the outlet for the woofer down, and on the top, we have ports. First is the coaxial cable. Then you have the 1.4-inch jack for guitar or microphone input. Then you have the auxiliary input and live headphone output. Then you have the USB Type-C port, which can be used for charging, a standard USB port, and the TF memory card reader as well. So you're pretty covered when it comes to I/O. Now let's power this on. So just pressing and holding the power button, it springs to life, and that LED ring lights up, showing its full glory. First, let's connect it to my iPhone via Bluetooth, which is very quick and very easy as it supports Bluetooth 5.0. So I'm all paired up. Now here's a royalty-free YouTube audio file, which I'm going to play so you can check the sound quality. Now guys, the speaker sounds really good, and it should totally fill up a decent sized room or hall. The bass is well defined and it doesn't get jarring even on high volume levels. Everything is nicely balanced, and you should be more than content with the sound quality it produces, even if you plan to use this just as a Bluetooth speaker. The power output is 15 watts, and the speaker has a 5.25 inches woofer and 2 1.5-inch tweeters. You can control the LED light using this button on the top, and there are several presets to choose from, or you can totally turn it off by pressing and holding it. But yeah, this thing goes a step beyond the standard Bluetooth speaker, and that's where the karaoke part comes into picture. So you have 2 really good quality wireless microphones. Just press and hold the power button and you turn them on, and that's it. You're good to go. It's automatically connected and you don't have to mess around with any connections or wires. And this is how it sounds on medium volume levels.
So this is how the microphone sounds. Pretty loud. You can increase the volume as well to sound even louder. पैरों से ज़मीं ज़मीं लगामत.
The range of these microphones is very decent, and since they are wireless, it makes it super convenient to use them. My daughter recently used this for a party. They had an amazing time doing karaoke using this speaker. Plus, having two wireless microphones was so much fun. And yes, even if you're not a singer, you can have some pretty fun times at house parties with this. Now, not just the microphones, this entire thing doesn't need cables to work, as it's got a solid 4000 milliamp hour inbuilt battery, which is good for 5 hours of working time. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge via USB-C, and it gives you a solid 5 hours of listening time at medium to high volume levels. The microphones also have a 1500 milliamp hour inbuilt batteries, and it charges via USB Type-C as well, and a full charge is good for about 5 hours. So this really is very decent. You charge it once and this can last you the entirety of half a day's party. So guys, this really is a fun little package. As a standalone speaker, it is really good with decent sound quality and ample connectivity options to play the music via the speaker. It's got a really solid inbuilt battery, making it totally portable, and then the karaoke part is super fun and very easy to set up and use. The rechargeable wireless dual microphones means no fuss or mess or tangled wires. You can just pick it up and sing to your heart's content, or if you want to just use it at lectures or presentations, and this is perfectly suitable as well. So a great little device, and is perfect for those looking for an ultra portable, fully wireless karaoke speaker system. That's all for the video, guys. If you have any questions about this product, please do ask them in the comment section down below. I'll leave all the links to the product and any offer codes available down there as well for you to check them out.
ओ हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना.